At present, the refinery and petrochemical industry plays an important role in the global economy, providing both fuel and raw materials for the chemicals and plastics that make modern life possible. At the same time, society grapples with the environmental impacts of the carbon economy while striving to create a more sustainable world.
Well, today the challenge of efficiency is always there for competition reasons, but it's even more important today because of sustainability. Because better energy efficiency means less greenhouse gases and a more sustainable future. Well, technology is a key to advancing the future, of course. For the environment and sustainability, the big changes like bio or alternate energy take a lot of capital and time to implement. Today, the technology that we have that can improve efficiency can make impacts to the bottom line financially and also to improve greenhouse gases. So it's important that we use the technology we have now to improve our operations.
With a hand in a variety of industrial applications, heat exchangers, which are used to transfer heat from one fluid to another, are critical to maintaining efficient energy use within a plant.
Fouling is like the buildup of an insulating layer on the heat exchanger surfaces that gets deposited from the process fluids. This layer kind of decreases the heat transfer and increases pressure drop. This results in a plant's increase in energy consumption and lower production. Fouling costs the overall U.S. economy $50 billion a year. And for the refining and petrochemical industry, that corresponds to $5 billion in wasted energy annually.
The cleanliness of a plant's heat exchangers remains crucial to its production. When not properly maintained, energy usage and the amount of time running can have a major impact on both operations and the environment.
Clean as New can actually help in a couple of different scenarios the client in terms of the exchangers to be clean. The second approach is also in a turnaround, which is normally a 30 to 45 day event. Millions of dollars of lost opportunity while the unit is down, having maintenance performed on it. And Clean as New can come in, pull those exchangers, get them clean, provide them a 20 to 25% efficiency savings, and half the schedule impact to their plan to allow them to manage that time frame down.
Heat exchanger cleaning has been done the same way for more than 50 years. Hydroblasting, the current solution, can be a dangerous, environmentally unfriendly, and ineffective way to clean heat exchangers.
Cleaning heat exchangers with hydroblasting is extremely dangerous because it uses water pressures up to 40,000 psi to remove the fouling. Any leak or hardware failure can lead to serious injuries or even a fatality. Our process includes Texonic's ultrasonic cleaning, which allows us to reduce cleaning costs by 50%, clean heat exchangers back to their original design performance, and lastly, reduce water consumption by 95%.
Recently, there has been a shift in the way the industry views its corporate responsibility to address ESG performance. Equally, the investment community is increasingly redirecting investments to companies that effectively address sustainability.
ESG is environmental, social, and governance. And why it's important to Clean as New is because we want to make sure we're doing the right thing for our community, for our employees, and for the environment. We recycle our water, we recycle our waste. We have created an environment where employees can work safely and go home safely.
Clean as New returns heat exchangers faster and cleaner than anyone in the industry. But the most significant value to our clients is the reduction in energy consumption, resulting in lower greenhouse gas emissions.
Perhaps the biggest threat today is the demand from the market for sustainable and socially responsible investment. This threatens to upset traditional capital streams and force significant and potentially expensive changes to the way industry operates. Overnight, with a simple change in how cleaning is done, industry can make a big dent in their ESG commitments while at the same time improve their bottom line. These results should also make it easier to retain and attract new investment. Beyond the obvious economic impact, the improved efficiency will reduce their greenhouse gas emissions by 10 to 15%, and our processes will reduce water consumption by approximately 15 billion gallons per year. This, of course, will help the industry meet their environmental, social, and governance commitments.
For more information, visit cleanasnew.com.